Would you recommend and trust this program for people on TikTok or any social media out there that's
100%.
watching?
100%.
Awesome.
100%. Yeah.
Sure. What was your goal for fixing your credit, if you don't mind me asking?
Really just kind of boost my score as much as I can. And ideally, it was just to delete all the inquiries and the negative stuff that's from my early 20s and everything else. And personally, I feel that's been accomplished.
How did you hear about me?
TikTok.
So you
Yes.
see that I'm real, obviously, right?
Yeah, TikTok.
Yeah.
And it's
All
funny
right.
you say that because that's the biggest word, right? It's like you see
Yeah.
all these credit repair programs throughout the internet services and everything, and it was like, man, shit, like is
Yeah.
this person real? It's like let's roll the dice. How worse can it really get if it's not, right? So I just took a leap of faith, trust the process, sell
I
the
hear.
sale pitch from your team. So I mean,
I was looking over your profile. Now, granted, I know we still have a few negative items left on there, and you chose to pause. That's fine. But let's talk about we deleted a lot of stuff though.
yes, yes.
Deleted a lot of stuff,
Noticed,
and
yes.
yeah, and on Equifax alone, we over 200 points increase.
Yes, I
I
saw that.
mean,
Yes, that was
can you
amazing.
see? You started at a what? Like, if you don't mind me asking,
Low
500,
fives.
right?
Yeah, yeah, low fives. Yeah.
And now you're at the 700s, or
Yeah,
some of
yeah.
the 700s.
Yeah, some
That's
of them 700, some high sixes and everything else. And I know it dropped not too long ago, but it was that same one that I told you I was just going to handle myself just
yeah,
because it's low balance and everything else.
yeah,
That kind of like, I guess, refreshed and popped back
yeah.
up on my credit as a new item. I guess I don't know
So
exactly
what
how they
happens
work.
is, yeah, sometimes when you challenge it, sometimes it can come back as verified or re-pops up or gets sold off to another collection. But what I'm saying is this, significant amount of increase.
Yes.
Congratulations. Would you recommend and trust this program for people on TikTok or any social media out there that's
100%.
watching?
100%.
Awesome.
100%. Yeah.
How about the
100%.
communication and customer service?
Great, great. Like the app, or I guess it's not even necessarily the app, but the text
Yeah,
message thread, you text
yeah,
that number. I know I'm on the eastern side of the United States, so I know we're
yeah.
4 hour difference and everything. But usually if I send a message 7 o'clock in the morning, by 11, 12 o'clock, I'm hearing some kind of response. I get the letters in the
Mhm.
mail, I send them through the text thread. Hey, received, Zach. We'll challenge this the next cycle. So, I mean,
Exactly,
no
exactly.
complaints, no complaints.
Awesome. Well, look, I just want to say congratulations, but I do appreciate everything. And then congratulations for that 200-point increase from the low
Yeah,
500s to the 700s. Congrats, bro.
I appreciate that, guys. Seriously.
Awesome.
Appreciate you guys taking the time working with me, communication skills, the whole 9 yards. So nothing but great positive things to say. And I'm pretty sure I put that in that message as well.
Yeah,
Not wanting to stop the service because I don't feel like anything was corrected, fixed, or valued. I mean, you guys did your job and y'all just knocked it out the water.
I appreciate it. All right, guys. So for those of you watching right now, you heard it first. If you want credit repair and real results, testimonials right here. This is not fabricated. I did not pay you, right? I did not pay you for this. This is
It
just
did not. It'd
real
been
raw.
nice, but no, that's legit.
Right? All right. So text repair to 951-400-4352. All right. Or hit the link in the bio. Let's go.